Hey you, Kat here. I want to just talk to you about what this TIMSHEL, the power link, is about. It's about power. The power link isn't outside. It's taking it back inside where it always was. We only ever felt powerless. We only ever feel powerless when we've given our power to something that's outside of us, because that's not where our power comes from. And when we do that, we are denying the truth about who we really are. So the power link is all about identifying the truth of you, the truth of who we really are, each and every one of us. And it's not at all who they said we were. It's not at all who we said, yes, you're right, that's who I am. It's not that at all. And it's not any of your stories, except for the one where you are so much more powerful than you ever dreamed you are. And you are so good. You are just all good and all powerful when you stand in your core power, which is love. And it's the love that is who you are. And when you can identify with that, and when you can be able to come from that heart space of being in your power and identify the need that we constantly get triggered to withhold that love. That need to withhold love is something that, wow, that can just overtake us. It can just pull us right out of our power. And so that's what TIMSHEL, the power link, is all about, is what can happen when you prove to yourself, when you prove on just every level that the truth of you is all good, all love, and always has been, and always will be, and cannot be compromised. Never, ever compromised. No matter what story we feel caught in at the moment. And when you can access that truth of who you really are, when that's your core identity, and when you have proven it to yourself on every level, then, wow, that need to withhold love, man, that just can't compete. Because now you know the way out. Trust love now. When you trust love now, that changes everything. So, I want you to have that experience somewhere, someday, some way. I hope to see you on the inside.